Have you seen a grill as crazy as this one? Hold on to your spatulas, folks, because we're cooking up a storm in the 5th episode of our digital Cascade project update. From finishing touches on the outdoor kitchen to diving into the depths of our luxurious pool, this episode is packed with laughs and insights. Let's dive into it. We are going to start with the plants behind the massive water wall. The wall itself, although stunning, doubles up as extra added privacy. The neighbors behind the client's house are close enough to see over the wall and into the yard. We have the plants as a sort of extension of the wall and add extra height. Not only do these leafy friends provide extra privacy, but they also help hide the not-so-sexy plumbing and electrical work. Talk about multitasking. Next up, we have to finish up the last details on the outdoor kitchen. The only things we have left to do here is to get power to the lights and install the Heston grill. We're diving into the pillars like electrician ninjas, stealthily hiding those wires away like they owe us money. The way we are going to run the power for the lights is by going into the pillars that are connected to the house. This is the most efficient way to run power, and it's all going to be hidden in the pillars to keep that clean look. The lights that are built into the outdoor kitchen will be controlled with the same system as the back wall lights, so you can continue the light patterns on the wall to the kitchen. Moving on to the grill, the centerpiece for this outdoor kitchen, we went with this beautiful Heston grill. This bad boy isn't just a grill, it's the Beyonce of backyard barbecues, the Rolls Royce of roasting, the Ferrari of flame-kissed feasts. We're talking features for days, craftsmanship that'll make you weep tears of joy, and more bells and whistles than a marching band on parade. And if you thought it was just for grilling, think again, my friends. This baby comes with a built-in searing section, because why settle for sizzle when you can have a symphony of flavor? And did I mention the rotisserie space? Because nothing says backyard baller like roasting a chicken while simultaneously feeling like a medieval king. Since we haven't talked about the pool for a while, let's check out the progress that we made. The pool is pretty much done. We have some Basha chairs on the way that should be here soon. In order to match the lighting that we have all over the yard, we added built-in lights into the walls of the pool. These are controlled off of the same system that we use for the wall lights to ensure simplicity and to give us a nice ecosystem of sorts. Moving over to the corner of the pool, we have the connected hot tub that is equipped with more lighting options and more than enough water jets. We placed the hot tub in the corner of the yard to allow the client to watch over his kids to make sure they are safe and still be able to enjoy the water. Moving on to the most complex feature of the pool is the knife edge design. The knife edge design is the perfect balance between functionality and appearance. Now let's break it down. Beneath those elegant tiles lies a hidden water catch basin, ready to swoop in like a superhero whenever excess water threatens to crash the party. It's like having a secret agent undercover, always on duty to keep your pool in tip-top shape. We have a sloped edge that leads into the catch basin that collects the water that would otherwise overflow. One major difference from this project to the last is that there is no water tank that stores excess water. Unlike your average pool setup, we've ditched the clunky water tank in favor of a more streamlined approach. That excess water, it's not going to waste. Oh no, we're recycling that liquid gold back into the pool and hot tub faster than you can say splashdown. Because of the tight tolerances between the tile and water channel, we use a non-slip tile to ensure safety in case any water spills over. The tiles that we have here have a special coating on them that has sand-like particles on the surface, which gives extra grip even when completely wet. It's like having your own personal traction control system, ensuring that even the clumsiest of cannonballers can make a graceful entrance. The downside with this tile choice is that the top coating has so much traction that it gets dirty quicker than most tiles. Sure, these tiles might attract dirt faster than a vacuum cleaner at a dust bunny convention, but fear not. With the right cleaning products and a can-do attitude, you'll have those tiles sparkling like new in no time. And hey, isn't a little extra cleaning worth the peace of mind knowing that your little ones can frolic safely by the pool? With all the things that needed to be done checked off, the yard is ready for the big reveal. In the next episode, we will be revealing everything that we have completed. You guys will not want to miss the next episode because the transformation was insane. If you don't want to miss out, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be notified the moment the next video is released. If you like this video, hit the like button, and while you're there, leave a comment on one feature from the series that you want in your backyard. Until next time.